Hi guys, my name is Reena. Today I'm gonna teach you a simple formula which called VLOOKUP, and we use this formula every day in our office. So let's go to the example file here. So I already have made one data here. You can see employee ID I have, age, department, amount paid, right? I had made one drop down here like this. I have made drop down here employee ID. So my task is that I want that if I select this employee ID here, so correct amount from the data should be here. If I select another one, so amount should be here from the data. So this is all about. So now I let's put the VLOOKUP formula here. First of all, when we put any formula in the Excel sheet, we always start with the is equal to sign. So is equal to, and then we write the formula name, which is VLOOKUP. So as you write VLOOKUP, it gives you the definition of this formula. So you can read it like look for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then return a value in the same row from a column in ascending order. Now bracket open. Now look, you can see here that it gives you the thing that what you need to do now and what you need to do next and all this. So lookup value. Lookup value means for which you are looking for the value. Here I'm looking for the value for what? Employee ID 1234 here. So let's select this cell here and comma, it take you to the another step. Automatically you can see it highlight table array. So we have the table array here, we have the table means data here. We select this and comma. Now it gives you the instruction again here, column index number we want. So we need amount here. So amount is in which column? Amount is here. So we'll count is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll write 4 comma. Now it highlight range lookup. It near range lookup. In the range lookup, it gives two options, true and false. True gives you approximate match and false gives you the exact match. So what you want here? Exact match. So for exact, well, I want to tell you true stand for 1 in the Excel here and false stand for 0. So we need exact match. So we will write the 0 here. For true I will tell you that if I write 1 here means true, it will give me approximately match like some another value it can give. So sometime we use this, but right now we are using, we need exact match, so we will write 0. Now bracket close and enter. It gives me value $100. 1234 employee ID. So let's cross check here. 1234 employee ID and I got amount is $100. This is correct. Let's check another employee ID now. 4567. It gives me value $90. 4567 amount paid is $90. Absolutely right. So for getting the more information, I would like you to visit on my website. It's www.excelaccessvba.com, or you can email me as well on reena@excelaccessvba.com or manu@excelaccessvba.com. So on my website, when you visit, there is more information regarding this VLOOKUP formula, like true, false. I told you. So complete definition you can see there. And for some other formulas, if you want more information regarding another formulas, you can see there. Or any other information if you need regarding Excel Access VBA, you can let me know by email ID. That's it. I have all about to. So thank you very much for giving your precious time. That's all. Bye bye.